Probably pretty common that this USB connector breaks off this model of headphones, which happened to me. So I tried to use another actual connector from another USB cable and that didn't work. As you can see in the bottom picture, it didn't line up. I didn't want to buy another one, so I just found a spare USB cable and I decided I would just solder the wires onto the connectors. So I stripped it down using a wire stripper and kind of folded over the wires to make it a little bit thicker for the solder. Had to really be careful to check for cold solders. The green wire was a cold solder, had to redo that. This was the first time I used a hot glue gun to encase the entire thing to make it more resilient and firm so it wouldn't break again. So I let it cool and then I used an X-Acto knife to trim it off so that it would fit more or less back into the black housing, which it didn't. It fit almost, but I didn't want to trim too much off or it wouldn't have worked. So I trimmed enough off to make it close enough, and then I used some electrical tape to seal it up. So it doesn't look pretty, but I plugged it in and it works.